You talked about the CDC in a recent report on deaths related to COVID. Fascinating data. Can you share that with us?
Sure. This was at this time, it was a couple months ago. There was a report that came out on the leading causes of death by COVID. When people get COVID, what are the risk factors associated with it? And right now, I only remember the top two. There were a few more in that list. But the number one was obesity, which I don't think is a surprise to anybody. We've kind of heard that for a while. And number two was the surprise, and that was fear and stress from dying of COVID. And I remember seeing a few articles come out about that. I was shocked. I could not believe it, that the mind and the fear can have such a physiological change in your body. And so when someone comes to work with me and we talk about this, if they're afraid of dying of COVID, that's actually the first place we start, because we need to change the mindset. Just like you said, how do you change it from an expense to an investment in your health? You look at it as an asset and a bank account and filling that bank account. It's the same thing with your health. How can we reduce the cortisol, which is, stress hormone? How can we calm the inflammation in the body and boost your mindset to provide those feel good hormones, so that you will feel like going out and doing the things you love and going to the gym or exercising or eating well or being with the people that you love. So the fear will keep you back from doing all the things that are really good for you. And it's hard to know, chicken or egg, what's actually causing the risk factor. Is it the fear only, or is it the fear keeping you from doing things that would be good for you?